What's up, guys? It's Stu TV dropping another video for you, and in today's video I have really no idea what we're gonna do, but these fuckers are here and Kylie's here over the bright yellow thing. Kylie is going to help me put on my carbon fiber spoiler that my boy Gavin, who I bought the turbo off of, brought me when I was at work. I also bought a steel oil pan off of him because if anybody has an A3 or a Volkswagen, they come with plastic oil pans. Let's see the swing, dude, since you're such a freaking professional. Why are you so far back?
This is gonna be the intro to you golfing tomorrow.
Hey, that went right through the wires. That was pretty solid, dude. What do you think of that? All right,
good.
You have to go find the ball now, though.
Now you have to wait for a part 2 for tomorrow when all 3 of us go golfing.
I have no fucking idea why, but these people want me to go golfing when there's other shit to be done. Guys, I'm trying to keep my video out of the wind. We do live in a community called Breezy Acres, and we are in the middle of a wind tunnel, so I'm gonna blow away. We're gonna 2A tape the absolute shit out of this so it doesn't fall off. So yeah.
I'm not angry anymore. Well, sometimes I am. I don't think badly of you. Well, sometimes that's.
Alright, so we're almost done. Kylie's better at taking the 2A tape stuff off than I am. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on there half decent.
Take off your car so you can put on his.
You want to trade trunks now? Yeah. Alright, so we got this mounted. It doesn't look too bad. I'm hoping that some of the things on here will kind of come out if someone buffed it. Because it was definitely used before, definitely loved. But some stuff like this just doesn't come out. But I'm not too mad about it because technically I bought that shit for like 50 bucks. Do you like it? What the fuck? Carbon fiber, dude.
Tastes good.
All right, next on the agenda. Last week if you guys watched the video, I got a OBD11, and this is my access port plug-in, and then I got this OBD2 splitter. So I'm gonna try and tuck this up here as best as I can. I really don't like how this is on such a harsh angle downward, so I'm never gonna be able to hide this completely, but I'm gonna get it out of the way so I don't kick it while I'm driving anymore.
I'm not angry anymore. It's all in my head. Thinking about me, yo. When you're not in my bed. Feel the pressure from afar. But it's about to down.
All right, so I got it where you cannot see it from here or really the driver's seat very much. But when you go under here, yeah, it looks like shit. It's fine. All right, so we got that figured out, sort of, kind of. Derek thought it was a good idea to put rocks on here because hold pressure again so the glue sticks, whatever. You know, so we're just going to ignore that happening.
I cleaned my car.
You out.
Kind of. It looks nicer.
What's it look like in here? Damn, I didn't know you had supermodels. This is Derek's box. This is actually his first car. His dad bought it for him. And it's still stock. He thinks he's part of the car community. Nothing going on in here. It's really boring. You know, should have just bought an A3. Yeah, this car's completely stock. Let me know if you want to race it. I don't know why he has those back there. All right, next on the agenda is downloading my revision.
While I try to write it down, it's all on my boy. So baby, I want you to stay with me. But lately, I'm thinking that the vibes are off, and I hope that they lie to me. See the demon.
All right, it literally took me 2 seconds to download the tune onto the access port, but it took forever to update it. How are the rocks doing? Not scratching my paint. Sick. Flash the tune. Pop the hood.
Why do you have to pop the hood?
On like MQB cars, I guess, at least as far as I know, just MQB cars, you have to pop the hood because like there's some like weird safety setting that you can't tune the car when the hood's shut. I guarantee you no one's ever tuned their car with rocks on the trunk. Yeah, I could be a first. I don't know, you know. All right, guys, as we all know, fall is coming. So if you guys need dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com. Use code STUTV. You get 10% off everything on the website. And you get dope ass shit, boy. be fast to you guys, but you have to understand, I'm so used to Subarus. Like, I spent so much money and I got 290 wheel in my Subaru. I don't even know what this is. So that scared me a little bit. I'm trying to get a little better of a camera angle for you guys. First gear pull felt insane. Holy shit. Yo. What the guys? Holy fuck. Alright, I'm done. People saying like IS-38 upgrade from IS-20 is nothing crazy. No, it's not anything like insane, but holy fuck does it make a difference. This has to be like the first mod that I actually did to like any of my cars that I noticeably felt power difference. Obviously it's a turbo upgrade. And it's running like normal timing numbers. Alright, we went to the driving range, but now we're gonna go get some rollers and Derek's gonna cold start his car. I told him to wait. Cold started that bit.
That smells. If you could only describe the smell through the camera. Corn. It's corn.
It's corn. Wow. It has juice. It's corn.
Hey, you bud. Fuck you.
Yeah,
Alright, y'all, we're gonna cut to a montage of rollers.
Undo that. Alright, I guess I'll do the others again.
From this earth, it's heaven sent. NikAngel on the beat.
I'm so diverse. Wanna be great in the universe. These bars are unrehearsed. You heard the first, but never last. I got the blast. I'm going fast. I never crash. I hit the dash.
Alright, it's the next day and these assholes brought me golfing. I think I looked the part. I'm gonna be completely ready to slice every ball I hit. We're waiting for Cody to piss and then we're gonna go to hole one. Derek already cracked open a healthy
A nice
pop
road soda.
How's your piss, mate?
Here, Mike.
Whoa, that pop can't be on camera.
Coming through the window, open the curtain. I thought the sun would shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me. Wanna feel something and you know it's gonna rise on me. Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me. Wanna feel something, the rust of demons gonna rise on me.
Nice, right?
Right in the water.
Whoa.
Oh.
That went to the other
Somehow I had the straightest ball. Cody shanked his into the woods and Derek, we think, hit into the water. Mine's like right over here. All right, guys. I'm gonna try this. I can't hit it. I'm probably gonna miss this putt, but it's okay because I improved a lot. What was that, 4? 5. Let's see, Derek. Derek Barnum with the hit. Ripping fucking dip, son.
Ripping dip.
Oh shit! Derek Barnum's coming on the right. Derek's going on the right. Oh! Holy, oh. Hit the jump. Don't be a bitch. Guys, if you're still watching,
Pulling the tires out.
oh, if you're still watching the video at this time, comment Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods. That's how I know you're a real OG. Dude, watch this guy.
Hey, yo. Roller shots? Look at the old ladies, bro. They definitely dude.
Dude.
Put it in reverse.
What the fuck is he doing?
And precipitate in your heart. What the fuck is up, you buttercup? Park in that butt.
Right in a sandpit.
Solomon, on the green.
If I make this, you give me a blowy.
Deal. I'll give you one anyways.
You got distracted. You said you give me a blowy. Oh, you're so bad.
This is going right in the hole.
Alright, but you see what you're fucking supposed to do.
You know what we gotta do? We gotta fucking line it up.
Alright. Let's see the form. Let's see the form.
You wanna see
Right
the
there.
form?
Right there.
It's right there.
It's gonna hit. Where are you trying to hit?
It's
hit
that fucking big old red flag right there.
Oh, it was fucking ball. Like
It's gonna swallow my fucking ball, bro. It's gonna swallow it. Swallow it.
fucking plan. I got a better fucking plan. If you just aim for fucking Derek.
Aim for Derek's fucking square head. It's like basically fucking. It's basically hitting a home run in fucking baseball.
We got these group of old ladies behind us. You can see them in the background there. Old miserable winches who are just trying to golf, and there's a couple of young kids here having a good time. And yeah. Wow.
Check both ways before crossing.
Look at him. What the fuck? Look at this. Meanwhile, gorgeous hole.
Bugs attacking me.
What are you doing?
He said I want to jump in the water. No. No.
Dude, Derek?
No, Derek.
Derek.
I'm just testing the water.
Derek.
I'm just testing. Derek.
What are you doing? You're a fucking idiot. Alright, Derek got drunk. We're leaving. We jumped in the water. If you guys...
You never know.
But that is the end of the video, guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribing, turning on post notifications, all that shit. If you need dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com. Use code STTV. You get 10% of everything on the website. Peace out, guys. Have a good day. On this day, alcohol beat Derek.
Rip.
Welcome to the PGA Tour, bitches.
What the fuck is up?